Welcome to my happy home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe. Hi friends, and welcome back, and welcome if you are new. I'm so happy that you decided to join me. I have a small video for you today. I quickly wanted to share with you this Easter haul, or actually it's more of a bunny haul. But anyway, I know I don't need any more Easter decor, but I couldn't pass up these deals, and of course when I saw these cute bunnies, I couldn't resist and I caved. But anyway, let me quickly show you what I picked up. Now, starting off with these cute little guys, I think they are so adorable, and they do look a bit tarnished, but I really didn't mind because I'm going to patch them up and make them fit my decor more. And I think that the black bow on them or the ribbon, they don't match at all, but that is a quick fix. And I paid for these two smaller ones 50 cents, and this larger one was 65 cents. Now moving on to these next ones, I am really loving these because the shape, I think they are very unique and I haven't seen anything like them before. And what I really love about them is that they are gold, so they will fit my decor perfectly, but still I will be doing a DIY on these. I got this little one for 50 cents and the larger one was 65 cents. And actually I got 4 of the larger ones, and 2 of them are already undergoing a DIY process as we speak, but I will share that with you in another video. Now, I want to apologize for the bad lighting because I was recording this right after I woke up at 6:30 in the morning, so it was still dark outside and I am still in my pajamas, as you can see. But anyway, I hope that the lighting isn't too bad. Now, I also stumbled upon these 2 bunnies. They are kind of like the previous one that I showed you, but in another position. And I really like them because they were standing up tall. And these were also the same price. I paid 65 cents for them. And they only had these, so I picked both of them up. And the black one, of course, will be undergoing a DIY as well. And I also picked up this cute Happy Easter sign, and I love that the bunny is already gold and the Easter is in black, but of course I will be doing a small DIY on that. And I also paid 65 cents for this sign as well. Now moving on to the last 3 items that I want to share with you. I got this white ceramic bunny. It was actually a thrifted find that I picked up for just 3 euros, as you can see. And what I actually love about it is that it is white and it is timeless. Now, these next 2 were a find at TK Maxx, and let me share with you, I am really loving this green moss bunny. It was $12.99. They marked it down to 4 and I got it for 2 euros or 2.50. And I am really loving that it has like this moss structure to it, but I don't really care for the bow and the roses, so they are definitely going. I will share with you, of course, when I show you how I styled them, what I did to it. And this pink bunny was also from TK Maxx, and I paid 4 euros for this one. And I also think that this one is quite timeless as well. But anyway, these were my bunnies that I picked up, and I am absolutely loving them. And that's all, you guys. That's all I have for you. It's not a lot, but like I said, I don't need a lot of stuff because I already have enough Easter decor. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, I would totally love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye!